Definition of periodic function: if for t greater than 0, value of function is equal to value of function plus period, variable plus period, then f of t is called the periodic function with a period capital T. We saw the example, sine of 2 pi plus theta is equal to sine theta itself. That means 2 pi is the period and sine is called the periodic function. The Laplace transform for the periodic function f of t with the period t is given by Laplace of f of t is equal to 1 upon e to the power minus 1 upon 1 minus e to the power minus st multiplied by integral 0 to t e to the power minus su f of u du. So final answer will be in the form of capital T because upper limit of the integration is t. Completed up to this?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So we move on to the example. Generally, it is seen that whenever we are talking about calculation of Laplace transform for the periodic function, we get the answer in the form of tan h, that is hyperbolic function, hyperbolic tan, that is called as tan h. We try to find the answer in the form of tan h as per the adjustment, right? Hyperbolic terms you have heard before this, sin hx, cos hx. So as per the definition, division of sin hx with cos hx, yeah, the ratio sin hx upon cos hx is going to be the tan hx, right? Find the Laplace transform of f of t, where it is defined as t which lies between 0 to c, 2c minus t which lies between c to 2c, where f of t is equal to f of t plus 2c. So though the word periodic is not used in the example, but I may say that it is a periodic function with a period capital T is equal to क्या बोलेंगे इसको 2c, because this functional value remains same in spite of adding 2c. That is what the interpretation is for the periodic function. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Completed. So I identify that it is a periodic function with a period 2c. So what is the Laplace of such kind of function? Laplace of such kind of function is Laplace of f of t is 1 upon 1 minus e to the power minus st into integral 0 to t. This is the formula what we have seen. So just put the value of t. What is t? T is 2c. So 1 upon 1 minus e to the power minus s into 2c, integral 0 to 2c e to the power minus su f of u du. Now, what are the limits of integration? 0 to 2c. But how is the function defined as? Function is defined as t between 0 to c and 2c minus t between c to 2c. So what I will be doing, I will be splitting this interval between the as per the given values of limits. So it is 1 upon 1 minus e to the power minus 2cs multiplied by integral 0 to c e to the power minus su into what is functional value? T. It is mentioned as t. So for f of u, it will be u. Remaining plus other term is c to 2c e to the power minus su multiplied by 2c minus t. So instead of variable as t, I am using the variable as u. So it will be 2c minus u du. Now everybody knows how to do or apply integration by parts. So accordingly here we will be using integration by parts by Liet rule. What is Liet rule? Liet rule says that exponential should be taken as the last and first should be the algebraic term.
हाँ सर.
So integration पहले इसका होगा u into e to the power minus su upon minus s, लिमिट पुट करो, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ u इज 1 और e to the power minus su upon minus s का फिर से इंटीग्रेशन, पुट द लिमिट 0 to c, ये फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट का हुआ, दिस होल ब्रैकेट, अगेन अप्लाई द सेम फॉर्मूला फॉर द सेकेंड ब्रैकेट, इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स.
सर मतलब यहाँ पे जो 0 to c है उसके लिए फर्स्ट पहली बार इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट, फिर इसके बाद यहाँ पे जो c to 2c है उसके लिए इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट, ये दोनों के
अलग
लिए
से
सर.
अलग से यस.
अलग
तो
से.
यहाँ पर भी ये अल्जेब्रिक है, ये एक्सपोनेंशियल है, तो 2c माइनस यू इंटू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ e टू द पावर माइनस एस यू माइनस व्हाट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस, 2c कांस्टेंट है, माइनस यू का डेरिवेटिव कितना होगा -1 बिकॉज आई एम इंटीग्रेटिंग एवरीवेयर विद रिस्पेक्ट टू u एंड देन वी पुट द लिमिट, u इज इक्वल टू लिमिट पुट करना है आपको, ठीक है.
ओके सर.
यस. Completed. Understood how the integration is done? U into integration of v minus derivative of u into integration of v. So यहाँ पर ये फर्स्ट टर्म एज इट इज रहेगा, u की जगह अपन क्या पुट करेंगे, c अपर लिमिट, लोअर लिमिट u की जगह 0, 0 into this particular term will be 0. तो 1 upon 1 minus e to the power minus 2cs as it is, माइनस बाहर e to the power minus cs, यहां पर भी c हो जाएगा, cs upon s into c minus 0 minus 1 upon s square, put this as c, so e to the power cs minus e to the power 0 is 1. So this is the bracket. Now यहाँ पर 2c minus 2c is 0, so this first value will be 0 minus lower limit में 2c minus c is c and in place of u you put it as c, so e to the power minus cs. That is how we try to simplify and get the answer, right? So this bracket is over. Here only substitution will be 2c and c. Minus of minus will become plus, plus 1 upon s square e to the power minus 2cs minus e to the power minus cs. Collect the like terms. 1 upon 1 minus e to the power minus 2cs as it is. Simplify it. Take LCM. Collect the like terms. S वाला एक ही term है. Then you write this as s square. Then this is also one of the term with s. This is one of the term with s. I think it is clear to everybody. Writing down.
Yes, sir.
Integration is clear or any difficulty? Yes. Any difficulty in integration? I hope the steps are clear. After integration, we are putting upper limit and lower limit.
सर यहाँ पे एस स्क्वायर जो नीचे
हाँ,
हाँ नहीं नहीं सर सर ये एस स्क्वायर
एलसीएम लिया हर जगह, तो ये एस से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा जहां जहां पर भी बचेगा। अभी देखो ये वाला टर्म कैंसिल हुआ है क्या किसी के साथ? ये वाला कैंसिल हो गया, बराबर है।
हाँ सर
तो और ये वाला टर्म 2 बार है, दिस एंड दिस, तो -2 टाइम्स हो जाएगा।
हाँ
So
सर
this is e to the power -2cs -2 times e to the power -cs plus 1 upon s square, common LCM,
ओके सर
and this is whole square form, बराबर है। a plus b whole square, e to the power -cs का whole square क्या होगा? e to the power -2cs, right? So I have used a square minus 2ab plus b square, तो क्या होगा? 1 minus e to the power -cs का whole square. ये whole square का expansion should be this, because in a minus b whole square only the middle term is minus, rest both extreme terms are positive. Completed up to this. Now why
Yes, sir.
why I am making it as whole square? Because I have to cancel it with this. I know the property a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So इसको मैं कैसे लिखूंगा? 1 whole square minus e to the power minus cs whole square, right? Because e to the power minus 2cs is e to the power minus cs whole square. So a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b, and one of the term can be cancelled out. Is this logic clear? a square minus b square, इसको मैंने ऐसे स्प्लिट किया, completed. So this bracket 1 minus e to the power minus cs is getting cancelled. We are left with 1 minus this upon s square into this. बराबर है? Up to this it is clear.
हाँ सर
Now I told you that in this particular kind of examples we will be trying to find the answer in the form of hyperbolic tan, right? So what is the definition of tan hx? Actually definition of tan hx is sin hx upon cos hx. So e to the power x minus e to the power minus x upon e to the power x plus e to the power minus x. This is what actually the definition of tan hx is. So I have to split this angle or exponent as minus cs by 2 into minus cs by 2. आई बात समझ में? माइनस cs by 2 into minus cs by 2 क्या होगा? cs by 2.
हाँ सर
So accordingly we will be splitting it. Now इसको कैसे किया है मैंने? e to the power minus cs is e to the power minus cs upon 2 into e to the power minus cs upon 2. ये लिख लिया आपने. Now 1 cs upon 2 goes to denominator. So e to the power minus cs upon 2 whole divided by e to the power cs upon 2. Negative power converted to positive by taking it into denominator. And then you cross multiply with this. तो क्या हो जाएगा? Positive cs by 2 minus negative cs by 2. Positive cs by 2 plus negative cs by 2. And this is definition of tan hx. अरे ये बात समझ में आई क्या? मैंने
हाँ
e टू द पावर माइनस सी एस बाई टू को कैसे लिखा? e टू द पावर माइनस सी एस को लिखा है e टू द पावर माइनस सी एस बाई टू इंटू e टू द पावर माइनस सी एस बाई टू. Then 1 e to the power minus cs by 2 goes to denominator, it becomes positive cs by 2. Cross multiply, so 1 into e to the power cs by 2 will become e to the power cs by 2. LCM. And then this satisfies the definition. क्या एंगल है इसमें पावर में? cs by 2. तो tan h क्या आएगा? cs by 2. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Finish writing. I hope it is understood. If you write one step more in detail, it will be more clear. This part is over.
यस सर.
Next question. Find Laplace transform of f of t. 1 lying between 0 to 2 minus 1 lying between 2 to 4. F of t is equal to f of t plus 4 means what is the period of this function? Capital T is equal to 4. Noted down the example. Okay. Completed everybody? Now function will be constant term. So that will be f of t is periodic with period t is equal to 4. What is Laplace of periodic function? 1 upon e to the power minus st 0 to t e to the power minus su f of u du. Put t is equal to 4. Split the interval. Function का value will be 1 and minus 1 respectively. Integration of e to the power minus su is very simple, direct. Completed?
Yes, sir.
What is the integration? Integration of e to the power minus su, e to the power minus su upon minus s. Put the limit 0 to 2. E to the power 0 is 1. Again same here. So 1 upon 1 minus e to the power minus 4s multiplied by this. Clear? Any term is getting cancelled? E to the power minus s into 2 is e to the power minus 2s upon s. E to the power 0 is 1. So minus of minus is plus 1 by s. E to the power 4 minus 4s upon s minus lower limit e to the power minus 2s upon s. Now common denominator is s. This is minus minus 2 times minus. So 1 plus e to the power minus 4s minus 2 e to the power minus 2s. Now e to the power minus 4s can be written as e to the power minus 2s whole square. तो मैंने इसको कैसे किया 1 minus 2 e to the power minus 2s plus e to the power minus 2s whole square यानी a square minus 2ab plus b square means a minus b whole square. Is it okay? A square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b whole square. In the denominator, split e to the power minus 4s as e to the power minus 2s whole square. So what is a square minus b square? A plus b, a minus b. Is it okay? All of you agree with this? ये purposely क्यों करना है? Because one of the term gets cancelled with the square term. And then only we are left with 1 minus and 1 plus. And then it is easy for us to convert it into hyperbolic tan. Is it fine?
हाँ सर.
अभी e to the power minus 2s को कैसे split करेंगे? E to the power minus s into e to the power minus s. Right? Because that is e to the power minus 2s. One of the e to the power minus s को नीचे लेके आओ. तो क्या बनेगा? E to the power s. So 1 minus e to the power minus s upon e to the power s is e to the power s minus e to the power minus s upon e to the power s. Same you do it in the denominator. So e to the power s cancel. We left with e to the power s minus e to the power minus s whole divided by e to the power s plus e to the power minus s. 1 by s tan hs. Final expected answer is 1 by s tan hs. Is the step clear?
Yes, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Finished up to this? I hope this splitting is clear to everybody. Why every time we are splitting the function so as to bring the answer in hyperbolic tan. Tan h is the trigonometric function and s is the angle. Okay. Completed everybody up to this?
Yes, sir.
Can we move on to the next example? Find the Laplace transform of square wave function of period A defined as this. Period is capital T is equal to A. Completed. So here also the functions are very simple, constant terms. Integration becomes very easy for us whenever the functions are defined as constant terms, right? So 0 to a will be splitted as 0 to a by 2 and a by 2 to a. बराबर है? Formula for Laplace of function is given by this 1 upon 1 minus e to the power minus st. Integral 0 to t e to the power minus su f of u du. How you will be splitting this? 0 to a, 0 to a by 2, a by 2 to a. Value of function is 1, value of function is minus 1. Same process. Integration will be e to the power minus su upon minus s. E to the power 0 is 1. Collect the like terms. Very less examples are there for this periodic function. Clear? Substitution of the limit. 1 upon e to the power minus as. Upper limit is a by 2. So e to the power minus as by 2 upon s. E to the power 0 will be 1. Upper limit is a. E to the power minus as upon s. E to the power minus as up by 2. Collect the terms. E to the power minus as by 2, a to the power minus as by 2, 2 times e to the power minus as by 2. Now e to the power minus as can be written as, this is very tricky, e to the power minus as by 2 whole square. 2 will get cancelled because, so this is what? Whole square. So 1 minus 2 e to the power minus as by 2 plus e to the power minus as by 2 whole square is compared as a square minus 2ab plus b square. So what is a? 1. What is b? E to the power minus as by 2. So what is a minus b whole square? 1 minus e to the power minus as by 2 whole square. Is this thing clear? Any doubt? Are you writing down the steps properly?
Yes, sir.
Girls, any difficulty?
No, sir.
Splitting of the terms are clear? And then how we are making it whole square? Then denominator is converted to a square minus b square purposely for the cancellation. And then we make the exponent as angle half so that we can fit it into the definition of hyperbolic tan. That is how the process shall be always to solve the example related to the periodic function. मैक्सिमम टाइम्स इट इज सीन की यूनिट स्टेप पूछा जाता है, बट आपको पीरियोडिक के बारे में भी नॉलेज होना जरूरी है. इज इट ओके? Finish writing, everybody.
एक सेकंड सर. फाइन सर, डन.
Fine. So 1 minus e to the power minus as by 2 whole square, and one of the value from the denominator gets cancelled. So I am left with 1 minus e to the power minus as by 2 upon this. But I want here exponential term with the positive index. यहाँ पर वो negative index होता है to satisfy it with the definition of hyperbolic tan. So how I will be splitting e to the power minus as by 2? बोलो how you can split? 1 can be splitted as half plus half. Half can be splitted as, how we can split half?
1/4.
Yes, 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is half. So how I have splitted this? E to the power minus as by 2, e to the power minus as by 4 into e to the power minus as by 4. And then this becomes e to the power minus as by 4 upon e to the power as by 4. And then 1 multiplied by this will give you the simplification. Clear हुआ क्या? Is this okay?
हाँ सर.
So definition of tan in hyperbolic tan x, e to the power x minus e to the power minus x upon e to the power x plus e to the power minus x. यहां पर सारे टर्म सेम है, प्लस माइनस का चेंज है. So what is the final answer? Laplace of this 1 by s tan h of as by 4. Clear? Completed up to this?
Yes, sir.
The last one. Find the Laplace transform of the function f of t is equal to sine omega t lying between 0 to pi by omega to 2 pi by omega with a period 2 pi by omega. Find the Laplace transform of the function Noted down the question. So f of t is periodic function with period 2 pi by omega. As per the formula, Laplace transform of the periodic function is 1 upon e to the power 1 upon 1 minus e to the power minus st. T is what? Period. Period is what? 2 pi by omega into integral 0 to this e to the power minus st f of t. बट एफ ऑफ टी कहां से कहां तक है? 0 टू पाई बाय ओमेगा में ही सिर्फ साइन ओमेगा टी एग्जिस्ट है, बाकी वैल्यू ऑफ फंक्शन इज 0. So only one of the integral will be there. This integral will become 0 because value of function is 0. Clear? Now we have the formula for this. While Laplace transform, learning Laplace transform, e to the power minus ax into sine bx. The formula for that same is applicable over here. Integration of e to the power minus ax into sine bx. That formula is applicable and directly we will be substituting the limit. So what is that? E to the power minus ax upon a square plus b square. What is a over here? S. What is b here? Omega. So s square plus omega square. E to the power minus ax upon a square plus b square minus a sine bx minus b cos bx. So minus s sine omega t minus omega cos omega t. Sine pi is 0. Cos pi is minus 1. Simplified by putting the limits. And then again you try to split it. Verify. I hope integration is remembered. Did you recall with the integration? Clear? I hope everybody is noting down. Upper limit is pi by omega, lower limit is e to the power 0 is 1. ठीक है, डिनोमिनेटर में ये दो चीजें रहेगी. नाउ व्हेन यू पुट t एज पाई बाय ओमेगा, तो क्या हो जाएगा यहां पर, साइन ओमेगा वाला टर्म 0 हो जाएगा. यस, साइन ओमेगा इंटू पाई बाय ओमेगा, ओमेगा कैंसल, साइन पाई इज 0, cos pi is -1, so minus of minus will become plus omega into e to the power minus s pi by omega, and minus e to the power 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, is minus of minus omega is plus omega. Only that term will be remaining in the numerator. Omega common, 1 plus e to the power minus pi s by omega, e to the power minus 2 pi s by omega is splitted as a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. So this will be e to the 1 minus this, 1 plus this, s square plus omega square as it is. But this bracket can be cancelled. 1 plus e to the power minus pi s by omega. So final answer बचता है omega upon 1 minus e to the power minus pi s by omega into s square plus omega square. Is the point clear?
Yes, sir.
Is everybody writing? Note down the final answer. Finished, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Is it over? So final answer will be Laplace of f of इसको, sorry, this page is to be transferred, right? Yeah. So the Laplace transform of f of t is f bar of s. That bracket gets cancelled, omega 1 plus wala, and only we are left with omega upon 1 minus this into this. Is it okay? Is the final answer clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes.
Yes, next topic is application of, final answer is over. Next heading देंगे application of Laplace transform to the differential equation. Application of Laplace transform to linear differential equation with constant coefficients. Method of solving. See, differential equations contains the differential coefficient, and those differential coefficients are nothing but the derivatives, right? So method of solving may we will be requiring the general property, wherein we will be doing it by applying the Laplace transform of derivative property. Okay. Kindly note down the steps and examples. We do it in the evening. Method of solving, are you writing down?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, evening time 5:30 onwards it is convenient to all. Yes. Can we take at 5:30? Completed. Method of solving. Find Laplace transform of both sides. This is the generalized formula for Laplace transform of derivative. N denotes the nth derivative. Apply the given conditions. Find inverse Laplace transform. Okay. So we will be discussing with this